Chad from Flash Performance, and I have a leak in this AC on this Dodge truck. And I can hear it, but I haven't been able to find it yet. I don't have one of those little wands that you sniff around, so I use some sudsy soap, and I can't quite locate it. I know it's in this area down here, but I don't know where. I haven't figured that out yet. I don't have nitrogen, and I'd like to use that to pressurize it, because that's the proper way. And I thought, well, heck, I have a smoke machine from Smoke Monster, and this is the turbo version, so I can do some pretty high pressure on that. So why not try a smoke machine on the AC system? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the oil that is in the smoke machine. I'm going to pour it out, and I'm actually going to put AC oil in the smoke machine and see if it smokes. I don't know. Heck, I don't know if it's going to break the machine, but I'm going to try one and take it for the team. We're going to see what happens. Let's find out. I'm going to dump the oil out, and we're going to add new oil in. On my oil drain pan here, take the plug out. Let's dump this out. Baby oil. All right, let's put some AC oil in it and see what happens. I got PAG 46 oil, and I had this, so I'm going to use it from Napa, hashtag not a sponsor, and we're going to put it in there. Now, one of the reasons that I was thinking about using this PAG oil to begin with is because it's pretty thin. It's not super heavy, and it kind of has that same consistency as the baby oil does. I made a mess. Hold, please. All right, so I got it filled with oil. Little sight glass shows it's full. It is connected to the battery on the truck, and the detachable smoker lead is sticking out. So we're going to see if we can produce some smoke. So here we go. Let's turn it on and see what we get. So we're going to power on. You can hear the compressor inside. Notice I'm not connected to shop air. Love this Smoke Monster. We're going to click smoke mode, turn that on, and then let's see what we get here. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. There it is. Awesome, so we're smoking. Sweet. It works. I'll tell you what, it smells really bad though. All right, let's hook us up to the AC system and see what happens. All right, I am all hooked up. I got it hillbilly rigged here. I just kind of taped it in there, and then I plugged my other line. I took it off here because it was easy access, and that way I can also check the Schrader valves. And I got it in turbo mode, so we're pumping some PSI through the AC system. And to get it into turbo mode, you just make sure you hold down on the turbo mode button. Smoke on, turbo mode on. You can hear the compressor kick in. It'll start building pressure. And we can adjust that up or down with our little knobber here. So it is pumping pressure, and I can smell it smoking. And I can see it smoking too. And hardly, well, you're not going to be able to see it smoking because it's pretty hard to see. But what I can tell you is that my finger's in the camera. There we go. But what I can tell you is that it is coming from the top side of the compressor. So I kind of shine my light down in there, and I can see the smoke coming out of the seal on the compressor side. And like I said, you can't really see anything that's going on because it's smoke. Let's go to the bottom side and see what we can see. All right, we're on the bottom side of the compressor, and the smoke is starting to roll out. Let's see if I can get you. You can kind of see it on the front of the compressor. But you can definitely hear it coming out the seal, the front seal. So we need a compressor, Mr. Customer. All right, we're all set, so we can turn this guy off. Let that simmer down. Pull my plug out. Let all the pressure out. You can see the smoke exiting. So here's what I've learned. Can you use AC oil in your smoke machine? Yes. Is it a good idea? I don't know. I don't take my word that this is a good idea, but I can tell you it does work. I'm sure it will probably void your warranty on your machine, but I found the leak, and I didn't have to spend a whole bunch of money on Freon trying to figure out where it's all going and sniff it all. So now I gotta fix the truck. So thanks for joining me. Chad from Flash Performance. Make sure you like, subscribe, and just so you know, smoking oil for the AC system really stinks up your shop. So I don't know. Don't do it too often. See you next time.